It's time to get loud with the DS18 PRO-69.2, even at full throttle. This motorcycle 6x9 is designed for you to take the music anywhere you want to go. It's a shallow mount 6x9 powered by a ferrite magnet, 250 watts RMS, 500 watts max power. It has a frequency response from the 60 Hertz to the 5 kilohertz, 1.5-inch voice coil. On the back part, you can see it has a steel basket, spade terminals, and its ferrite magnet. But that's not what's interesting. What's interesting is this water-resistant cone, which makes this 6x9 ready for anything you throw at it. But let's connect it. Let's see how it performs so you guys can see how loud this 6x9 can get. Let's start off at low volume right now. We're gonna give it 30%. Gonna go a little bit towards the 50%. Gonna go 70. On my end, it is crazy loud. I don't know if video does justice, but check this out. This is the PRO-SM69.2 motorcycle design shallow mount 6x9 with the water resistant coat. Make sure you guys check it out. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.